Pill Terminator, Best Safe RX Pharmaceutical Med Destroyer and Disposal System. Dispose old RX medication drugs pill and liquid buster pack of 3 containers. About this item. Easy, simply fill the Pill Terminator's extra large opening with RX medication or drugs, then add water and shake. Dispose in household trash. Safe, with a push and turn CAP, it is a child and pet safe solution. Perfect for home and businesses. Effective, disposes all RX drugs like pills, capsules, liquids, and powders. It's the best safe RX pharmaceutical med destroyer and disposal system. Disposes up to 300 pills or capsules per container. Exceeds FDA guidelines, formulated to meet and exceed FDA and EPA guidelines for safe pill, drug, disposal. Environment-friendly, environmentally responsible solution to pill disposal.